Welcome back. This is Level Up with Safari. This is a quick one. I hope you guys have been having a great weekend. I hope everything is going great. I hope you guys are leveling up as high as possible to the top. I just wanted to basically make this video. This is just pretty much like a. Let me check the date on my phone. I want to see exactly when I'm going to start this because I want to be able to have everybody just start with me. You know, this isn't something that this isn't a channel that I'm going to try to teach with. I want to have an experience with everybody. I want everybody to go through the same things together. I know, you know, depending on when you're watching this is a different time. It might be later, but I'm going to have steps along the way. So if you're watching this video, the next video will be one step. The next video after that will be another step. The next video will be another step. The next video will be another step. I know I said another step too many times, but whatever. I'm gonna do it. Mark your calendars for August 24th, 2018. August 24th, 2018. I'm doing Amazon FBA. I'm starting Amazon FBA August 24th. August 24th. August 24th. I want everybody to start with me. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to download all the apps. Don't download the apps because once I download, I'm going to have links in the description, affiliate links. So I want you to rock with me. If you rock with me, that means everything that I'm doing, if you guys need help, forget that course, forget that all that other stuff. I'm going to make a Facebook group and we're going to go at it like that. I'm doing product research. And eventually I expect just 2 weeks from then, I plan to do product research for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from the 24th of August, I'm going to be making a purchase overseas on a product and starting it completely. I want you guys to be able to do this with me. So please come back August 24th. I promise you a video will be up. I promise you I'm going to have the active presenter. I'm going to have all the information, everything that I'm doing on my own. I'm going to video it. I'm going to put it on, YouTube or whatever. And I'll probably even have a live. This is when we're leveling up. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of the leveling up. So I want you guys to be able to start and do this with me. I'm tired of you, not you guys, but I know with me, when I was watching YouTube, man, I've been watching YouTube for the last, for a while, but the entrepreneurial side of YouTube, I've probably been watching it for a good 2 years, and I've done some things. I've done some things here and there, but Amazon FBA was one of the major things that really kickstarted this whole, entrepreneurial thing, because it's like, man, I can get products from overseas and, pretty much create my own store, And then the thing is, once you start understanding things, you start going to stores, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, you start seeing products, and it's like, I know this person isn't making it here. They're getting it overseas. The only thing is they have a brand. So I've had multiple years, hundreds of videos of information that I've taken in, and it's time to implement it. So I want you guys to remember August 24th. That's the beginning of everything. I'm not even gonna give you any information on the programs and everything that I'm going to download, but on August 24th, come back. I'm going to have videos along the way. I'm going to have videos before then, and I might, give more information then, but August 24th, I'm doing product research from the beginning. I'm doing logos from the beginning. I'm going overseas and I'm making purchases from the beginning. So everything that I do, everything that I need to do, everything you need to do to start Amazon FBA is going to ramp up, and you're only one product away from changing your life, man. Everybody say living your best life or whatever. You only one product away from doing that. You're only one step, one journey, one video, one day, one commitment, away from being obligated to changing your life, So that's what I'm here for. That's what the channel is about. I'm not teaching. I don't want to become one of those guys who just give you information or little tricks or look up stuff and just try to figure out how I'm gonna make the next video because I've already said things about this and this video is the same as the last video. That's not this channel. I'm giving you real live updates. I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing you. I'll probably have 2 products that I search for, and I'll show you one, and I'm buying 2 products, but I'm gonna show you everything on one, and then I'll keep my own, separate or whatever. And that's just because I don't want anything to be crazy, or if you take my idea, I just want to be able to, just still have something that's not skewed. The results aren't skewed, but I'm gonna have one product definitely that I do research on, and I'm gonna show you the product. I'm gonna show you how I bought it, how much I paid for it. I'm gonna show you how many I bought, how I sell it, how much money I'm making from it. You guys copy, cool, but the thing is, 1% of the people watching this video, they'll do it, they'll understand it, and they'll know what they're doing. And 1% of that 1%, they'll actually take the step and actually make a purchase. So I'm not really worried about, everybody online on YouTube worried about, man, it's going to become saturated and everybody are going to take my results and blah, blah, blah. I'm not worried about that, man, because this is a nation. This is a place where, I'm just here to motivate and just have everybody take that first step, because it's the hardest. I've done some things, and the first step is always the hardest. Going to the gym, once you're in the gym, it's easy. It's easy work, but the thing is, that first step to get into the gym is the hardest, because that takes commitment, that takes dedication, that takes loyalty, that takes responsibility, know-how, strength. It takes all of those adjectives or verbs, adjectives, adverbs. It takes all of that to, to do anything in life, and I feel like once you take the first step on some things, man, it's just gonna make everything else easier, because then if I can do that, I didn't know anything about it and I did it, I can do anything now. Things that I kind of know about, let me take the step on that. I want Amazon FBA to be the beginning. I don't want it to be the end all be all. I just want this to be the beginning of first steps, and that's what this channel is for. Level Up with Safari, August 24th, Amazon FBA. We starting it. Follow with me. Don't download anything. I'll have links to everything, exactly what I get. I want to be able to give it to you guys so I can follow along. If you have questions, if you have, if you're stuck somewhere, like, I know exactly what you have because you guys got everything that I got. So August 24th, I want you to come back to this channel, and I want you to see the progress, and I want you to start with me on August 24th. I tried to give everybody enough time to, acquire some money, because I know you got to buy something, you got to spend some money to actually get the apps and all that, but I want to be able to give everybody enough time to really dedicate their time and basically just take the first steps, So August 24th, let's get it. Level Up with Safari. Let's go. I'm out.